Hi guys, so I'm not sure why this is not very good picture, and I apologize for that. I'm not sure, but I can't go live. I keep getting live stream errors, and also I'm late because I have a new phone, or at least temporarily a new phone. My phone died completely dead today. It started turning white when one of my little kiddos knocked it off my table a couple weeks ago. It further cracked my screen and stuff, but it started turning white at the bottom, and then, yeah, I don't know. So, it just went dead today. So I had to try to rush around and get a phone. I was trying to get a phone, get back here in time to do my live. Finally got a phone. I just got a little cheapy phone, but it's supposed to work. I'm supposed to be able to go live on it. It's got all the little buttons and everything, but I don't know what's going on with it. So anyway, if it's not too late tonight and I can get figured out what's going on with it, I'll come back live. But I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. Okay? Love you all, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.